Moxi is the AI-powered robot nurse assistant from Diligent Robotics. It has generated interest in its potential to aid overworked medical professionals. It reduces the workload for nurses. It can handle repetitive tasks like fetching supplies, delivering medications, and transporting patients, freeing up nurses for more complex care. Moxi can monitor vital signs, remind patients to take medication, and provide basic emotional support, potentially improving patient outcomes. By automating tasks, Moxi can help hospitals run more efficiently, potentially reducing costs. It reduces exposure to risks. It can perform tasks in hazardous environments or with infectious patients, protecting healthcare workers. Moxi has the potential to be a valuable tool in healthcare. By taking over repetitive tasks, Moxi can significantly reduce the physical and mental strain on nurses, leading to improved job satisfaction and potentially lower burnout rates.